So in this video, we're going to cover how to set up the email alerts on the Richtech V2 Pro. If you need any help on the Richtech V2 Pro, we have a quick start guide available where you can kind of see all the features available, how to log into the unit, how to use the config tool, review some basic settings and so forth here. Let's go back into the unit. So I'm just gonna actually sign out. By default, the username is admin and the password is just 123456 here. And you be prompted to change it. In this case, I'm just gonna go ahead and go into the network configuration advanced, so network advanced. And this is where the email features are. You're gonna notice right off the bat, it gives you a built-in SMTP server that you can use. You can add additional configuration here. In this case, what you probably want to do if you want to use the out-of-the-box server is just add your email. You notice you can add a couple in here. If you wanted to customize this and use your own, which I personally recommend you use your own, you can go ahead and change this. You can also do a test. So I'm just going to add my email in here and save it. Make sure you save it first and then run your test. So let's get that email now. Should be sending that in a couple of seconds here. Okay, so looking at the device here, my company's firewall is having an issue with allowing this email to come through. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add my own. So basically this will be also good to see how you can add your own. So again, let me use a test one temporarily here. And let's add everything specific to that server. We do want to do authentication and SSL, save that. Now I'm going to run the test again. And you'll notice when you do a test and everything's configured properly, it should come within about a minute of sending your email or your initial test here in this case. Let me go ahead and open that. And here I've opened the test alarms. Notice it says notification from AATSS. Gives you all the information. In this case, it's just facing down, so there's probably going to be no shot in here. Yep, there's nothing in here. The device is covered up right now. And that's pretty much how you configure the email notifications here. Again, when you do have an actual high temperature alarm, it will actually give you the alarm temperature in that email. So going back in here, this screenshot will actually be a valid screenshot of whoever had the high temperature. If you've added some information on the person, it'll also add that in there. Again, this is only if you enable facial recognition. If you're just using this as specifically as a temperature screening device, it will not add any IDs or anything like that. But it will give you the temperature here, and it'll also give you some detection of if they're wearing a face mask or not, and the timestamp.